Want to write clean, reusable code in Python? Function are your secret weapon, and I will explain them in 2 minutes. A function in Python lets you wrap a block of code, give it a name, and reuse it anytime, saving time and avoiding repetition. Part 1. Define a simple function. Let's define a function that greets the user. Define greet. Print hello, welcome to Python. This defines a function called greet. It does not take any input. It just prints a welcome message. Part 2. Call the function. Now let's call the function greet. Save and run. Control plus S for save. Shift plus F10 for run. We got hello, welcome to Python. When you write greet, it runs the code inside the function. You can call it as many times as you want. Part 3. Function with parameters. Let's make it smarter by passing a name. Define greet user inside the bracket, pass name. Print hello, name. This function takes a parameter name and prints a personalized greeting. Part 4. Call with arguments. Let's greet different users. Greet user Aliza. Greet user Haifa. Save and run. We got hello Aliza, hello Haifa. It works dynamically. You can greet anyone just by passing their name. Quick recap. Define with def, that is def. Call with parenthesis. Pass arguments for dynamic output. Mastering functions means mastering structure. If this helped you understand function, hit like, share and subscribe to Master of Data Science.